Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a rear view mirror on a Dodge Ram 1500. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a heat gun or hairdryer, and a clean microfiber cloth. Make sure you have your new replacement mirror and a fresh rear view mirror adhesive kit, which typically includes an activator and the adhesive itself. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and quicker. Now, let's remove the old mirror. If your mirror has any electrical connections, carefully disconnect them first. Next, use your heat gun on a low setting to warm the metal mounting button on the windshield for about 30 seconds. This softens the old adhesive. Once warm, firmly grasp the mirror base and twist it 90 degrees counterclockwise. It should then slide off the button. Use a razor blade to carefully scrape off any remaining old adhesive from the windshield. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. First, clean the windshield where the mirror mounts with rubbing alcohol and let it dry completely. Next, apply the adhesive activator to the clean mounting button area on the windshield and let it dry for about 1 minute. Then, place one small drop of the new adhesive onto the mirror's mounting button. Carefully align the new mirror and press it firmly against the windshield for at least 60 seconds to ensure a strong bond. Great job, your new mirror is almost ready. It's crucial to let the adhesive cure completely, ideally for at least 24 hours before driving your truck. This ensures a lasting bond. If your mirror has electrical components, reconnect them now, making sure they click into place. Finally, adjust your new mirror to your preferred viewing angle for optimal visibility and safety. Give the mirror and windshield a quick clean, and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.